The best hand exercise that I have for you is the subject of this video. Hi, I'm Dr. Shakib from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center, your Irvine Posture, Movement, and Chiropractic Clinic. Stay tuned. All right, so I've done a video on pinched nerve in the wrist, and if it is actually a pinched nerve in the wrist or something else. And one of the best exercises I have for you for hand movements, and yes, you do need it, unless you live a very unusual life in this country where you don't use digital devices. That includes your cell phone and your computer, whatever version of it you have. So the hand movement is very important. We're so used to doing certain movements and not others. We have to do them correctly. I'm not a big fan of isolating a body part and exercising it, except for the hands. So what you want to do is you want to open up your hands as far, we'll go one at a time, with your thumb going in the opposite direction as your pinky and stretch. So it's just not opened up, it's really opened up. So it's as far apart as they can. So we're using all of these muscles. With the opposite hand, you want to stabilize your forearm just below the wrist. So I'm going to stabilize it. I'm going to relax everything here because I don't want to tense it up, because that impacts, that tension here impacts how well my wrist is going to do its job to do the work of my hand. So I'm going to relax everything here. My shoulder is nice and square. My elbows drop. I'm grabbing my wrist, my forearm right below my wrist, stretching these, and without letting my hand move, not my hand, my forearm below the elbow move side to side or front and back. I'm stabilizing it, and simply as I'm stretching the hand as much as I can, I'm going right and left, front and back. I do a circle and counter circle, and I do a figure 8. As I'm doing it, I can hear all the cracking that happens here, but you need to make sure that you're not letting go of your forearm. And of course, you do it on both sides. How often do I recommend you do it? I recommend you do it every day. When to do it? Probably twice. First thing in the morning before you sit behind your computer, and if you can do middle of the day, that would actually be wonderful, and then at night. So as you're talking to someone, you may want to do that. Just incorporate this exercise into a routine, and then you do it on a daily basis. Listen, you may not think about it because you don't have pain, but if you wait for the pain to be your reminder, it's a lot more work to do. Think of it like that. At any rate, I hope you enjoyed what you got out of this video. If you would like to check out the resources, make sure you go to the description box. If you have any questions, contact me. It's all in the description box. And subscribe to my channel. Take care.